something extraordinary, our hero strikes the perfect chord. With every bow stroke, shimmering bags and gifts appear. Each of the gifts is uniquely designed to embody your store's spirit. The Violist crafts custom handmade bags, where music is not a motif, but the very soul that builds each bag. Treble clefs and flowing staff lines are born from the heart of melody itself, shaping creations that resonate with harmony. Every bag is personalized, crafted with care, and infused with the magic of music and the love of art. These gifts are more than beautiful designs. They carry the living soul of a true artist, echoing rhythm and spirit in every detail. More than gifts, the Violist brings harmony, heroism, and a touch of song to your store by transforming it with custom bags that sparkle with artistry and the soul of music itself.